Welcome to another video with www.dampwalls.co.za. Today in Glenhazel we are helping you discover the cause of the damp, showing different systems for different damp repairs. This is a subsoil damp system where the bricks have water in them and pushing the plaster off, as you can see with the undulating surface of the texture below the yellow line. This is lateral damp. Lateral damp is caused by horizontal movement of water due to a higher paving level. As you can see, the paving on the exterior is putting water in to the wall. It doesn't need to be much higher, it's only about 100 millimeters higher. And this has caused water to push through to the inside. This is illegal, as the law says that the garden level needs to be lower than the ground floor level. And so how do we fix this? This last row of tiles against the wall needs to be lifted, and we trench down. We then damp-proof the exterior and damp-proof the interior. For a proper repair, we need to let the walls dry, and this can take anywhere up to a few years. So if you phone your insurance company, they'll tell you that you've had latent water inside the wall from a burst geyser up to 2 years. And this tests your relationship with the client. But we want to bring the best quality to the job, and we don't want to sacrifice and do any shortcuts. Make it a great day, and follow some further videos and reach out for quotes to fix your damp.